Hey guys, I'll be showing you how to make rice cutlets today. These are super easy and they do not take a lot of time. So the first thing first we need is some garlic. I'm taking 5 cloves of garlic. आपकी मर्जी है आपको कितना लेना है as per your taste and quantity. Next we need is a piece of ginger and some green chilies. Next also you will need some besan and leftover rice. This being the main ingredient. You see everything in front of you now. I'll be taking a boiled and peeled potato. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप इसको मैश भी कर सकते हो. It's completely your choice, but I like it this way. And I'll be taking a bowl and mixing all the ingredients that I showed you, like ginger, garlic and green chilies. इसके ऊपर से जो है मैं कुछ सूखे मसाले डालूंगी, like coriander powder, some red chili powder, some salt, and I'll be taking 1 tablespoon of besan. Now if you want you can use chawal ka atta for that extra crispiness. I'll be mixing everything up and then I'll add some jeera powder. After adding jeera powder I'll shape them into the shape of cutlets. आप चाहो तो दिल भी बना सकते हो, बिल्कुल it's your wish. उसके बाद जो है मैं कढ़ाई में तेल गरम करूँगी and I'll fry them until they are golden brown. That's it. My cutlets are absolutely ready. Do let me know if you enjoyed this recipe. Until next week, bye guys.